Hey everyone, this is Doe, back with a new 500 scale review. Today we're gonna be looking at the KLM Boeing 777-300ER in Skyteam livery. So first I'm starting with the box. The production number is 507578 and the registration is PHBVD. Here you see a picture of it when the plane approaching, and here the dimensions. So yes, let's go to the plane. Here it is. It's very long for 500 scale. So, and here I yes, there it is. So you can see the plane is about the 15 centimeters long. So there's no Skyteam logo on it because it's a Skyteam livery. So here you can see the Skyteam logo on the tail. This plane is full made of metal. It's pretty heavy for this scale. And only the tail and the landing gear are plastic. So here you can see the Herpa logo, and here the landing gear, and here the registration. So it's a pretty nice plane, I think. So, and that's it for today. I'm back tomorrow with a new review, so please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back later.